Good morning. God is the beautiful creature of the nature. These contain very sharp eyes and vision. Now, this dog is craving for the food because this dog is female in nature and have many little puppies in her house. But she did not get any food particle and now she is craving for another place about food. The life of hens is the most difficult life in the world because these are dependent on the human nature about food and caring. They get water from the human hands in any part of the house. But when the human are become cruel, they did not provide the sufficient food. Hence, the color of their feathers become dull due to less nutrition.